Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will tell and show you how to make these short videos on your computer locally from an image or by text description. So let's go. The model is called WAN. It is a Chinese model that has been made publicly available. Now I will tell you how to install and use it. First, we need to install Comfy UI. There are many videos on the internet about how to install it, so I won't dwell on this. If anyone is interested, leave comments and I will make a short video on the simplest way. After Comfy UI is installed, go to this link. I will, of course, leave it in the description, and download Clip Vision and Text Encoder and VAE. We put them there. We go to the Comfy UI folder. Here it is, into the models folder, and here is very simple. Clip Vision into Clip Vision, there. Text Encoder into Text Encoder, and VAE into the VAE folder. Let's continue. After we have installed all of this, we need models. We go to the folder, right here, models. And we see a lot of different incomprehensible symbols. It's also very simple here. The model name, image, video, resolution, how many parameters and models that weigh more than 30 gigabytes will be useful for those who have a graphics adapter with 24 or more gigabytes of memory. I have an RTX 4070 Super. I only have 12 gigabytes of memory, so I download these medium models. Image to video, 380p, 15 gigabytes, and text to video. Here's the text in the video. FP8, these FP8 both models, for those with less than 12 gigabytes of memory. 6 or 8, better 8, but I've seen it run on 6, works slowly, but it works. We download these small models, which only weigh gigabyte. So we've downloaded the models. Where to place them? Again, we go to the folder. Comfy UI, models, and we open Diffusion models. Here they both are all ready for me. And the last thing we need, and what is good about this neural network, is that Comfy UI supports it right away, instantly, without any setup required. You only need to download the workflow and generate your videos. We download the workflow from the second link in the description. Here we have 3 workflows. We need this one, 480p and text video. Download both. I have already downloaded them to the desktop. We buy our Comfy UI. Here it is. I've already set it up for us here, but I'll show you from the start. Just take, for example, text or video from the desktop, drag it, and here it is. We record prompts here, negative prompt. Make sure to set the sizes. We have 480 by 480, 12 by 512. It works like that too, but not more on this model. Here we set the video length. 33 is 2 seconds. 73 is 4 seconds. And 81 is 5 seconds. I did 9 seconds. It also works, but takes very long. Here once again, we press everything one at a time, or it might give an error. Here, again, there's text to video. And how many steps for text to video? 30 and more. For image to video, I will show you now. 20, in principle, is enough. But the more, the better the video turns out. What will I change in this workflow? I will delete these 2 nodes. With a double click, I will add the video combiner. We simply connect. Set the frames as you like and specify what the video combiner is needed for, in what format the video will be saved. Basically, that's it, a working scheme. I will not generate a video now, try it yourself. I initially set the video that I generated both by image and by request, and it turns out well. And we also do with the second workflow. Take image to video and drag it into our Comfy UI, enlarge and observe. Delete these 2 nodes again. This is not necessary, but I delete it because I can choose the video format. Double click. video habit init. We combine everything very simply and set the frames. I set them to 24. You do it as you like and the video format. In principle, the same workflow, except for this node. Here you choose an image, click and select the one you want. Or you can also drag and drop it here. Write a prompt, write a negative prompt. I basically leave it on automatic. Click, you generate and wait. That's basically it. The simplest way to install WAN on your computer and generate short videos for your shorts, for Instagram, for TikTok, for whatever. If you liked this video and found it useful, like it, subscribe to my channel and leave comments. If there was something you didn't like, also leave comments so I can develop and improve the quality of my content. Thank you. And until next time. Bye bye.